I am going to demonstrate how to download the dissolved oxygen data from the Baltic Sea. So first, all the data from the Baltic Sea is collected by the HELCOM contracting parties. HELCOM is the Helsinki Commission and the Baltic Marine Environment Protection Commission. All the data is stored in a database from the combined monitoring program, and this database is hosted by the ICES, so the International Council for the Exploration of the Sea. So you want to go first on the internet and go on the ICES website. Once you arrive on that home page, you have several options. There's Explore, News, Marine Data Publication, Community. You want to go over that marine data and click on Dataset Collections. It brings you to a new page with several datasets to choose from. We want to choose by geography, by HELCOM area, because we want the Baltic Sea data. Then it brings you to this page where you have the choice between viewing the environmental data by the HELCOM subbasins or download the oceanographic data. So you want to click on that second one. It brings you to a new page with a map and a number of red dots. Each red dot is a HELCOM station, and that collects a number of data measurements. Here, if you click on that roll-down menu, you can see all the data that is collected. You want to click on that dissolved oxygen, and then it will show you all the stations that have more than 10,000 dissolved oxygen measurements. If you click on the radio, you obtain that map, which shows you all the stations that have more than 10,000 dissolved oxygen measurements. As you can see, there's not a lot, but you can always reduce that number to obtain more data, or you can also increase that number to have even less data. Once you're happy with the result, you can always download the data by clicking here. It will download a zip file that you can then open in R and do your data analysis on.